Signal to noise. Disillusion.
The walls of my study are covered with faces. Film faces. Actors, directors, extras. Old faces I bought in film and junk shops on 3 continents. A patchwork of the nameless and the ones that interested me. They're my frame of reference, the world in which I move. I can stare at them for hours, wondering about the people behind the faces, their lives before and after the frozen second that they're trapped in. I pillage their faces, their expressions, their eyes. I've stolen many of them for the crowd, even now making the way up the side of the mountain. In my head, the film continues. I'm writing it, directing it. And I'm also its only audience. Oh, this was not always to be the case. I remember when I told Inanna that we would not be making it. I had returned from seeing my doctor. Late. I was late. She was waiting for me here.
Hello! Finally! You said you'd be late. Opened a bottle of bubbly waiting for you. Knew you wouldn't mind. Well, do you mind?
No.
When we get up to your flat, I'll get you a glass. You'll want a glass.
No, thank you.
You'll change your mind when you hear my news. Are you ready? Okay. The US moneymen have green-lighted the finance. It's all systems go. We can be in pre-production by this time next week. But I can't wait. I can't fucking wait. But we'll need a script really soon, like yesterday. Any idea how soon you can get it together?
I'm not going to be writing the script, Inanna. We're not going to make the film. See, I saw the doctor and she says, I probably don't have very long to live in it. I'm dying. I'm sorry. Please leave. We'll talk later.
Look, this is such a shock, but...
Inanna talking, saying things. She's sorry.
Wonderful specialist.
Doctors make mistakes. She's so sorry. New treatments every day.
They might have mixed up someone else's results and yours. I mean,
If there's anything she can do.
To say, I mean,
So very, very sorry. And all.
I thought you could have your...
Say nothing at all.
Anything at all I could do.
Just noise.
I mean, not God, well... Doctors.
I went up to my study. The faces on the wall watched over me. Hundreds of pictures of dead faces staring out at dead photographers. All of the eyes. The eyes of the people in the photographs. All of their damned eyes. Stop looking at me!
They stretched
Out.
back
To
heaven.
and they
Could
pull stars
from the eyes of
the
men.